If there's one thing that people tell me, it is that everything has been invented. And in some cases, they're right. But in this case, they have never been so wrong. Looking over New York City, why can't people aspire to be not only the best designers, but actually help the world in the process? I don't make these clothes for fame, and I don't make these clothes for money. I make these to inspire you guys, to show you that all of your goals are possible if you put your mind to it. Let me put this into perspective. If I could turn a bag into a sweater, then you could be the next biggest artist, writer, singer, stylist, or whatever you want to be. The same way they told me that everything was already designed, that nothing could ever be invented, is the same way they're telling you that you will never reach your dreams, that you can never be what you want to be. I'm here to tell you that you can be who you want to be, but it's time we forget the old methods that can get us there and start looking at life in a new perspective. All clothes are made up of seams, but these clothes are not what they seem.